In front of me is Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then open System, and here click on Advanced. Now open developer options right here. If you can't find them here, you have to unlock developer options. To do it, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer options. And then just scroll down a bit, and here you will notice System Demo Mode. Mark it and tap on Enable Demo Mode. And that's it. It has been already activated. If you would like to switch it off, just click on it again. And also if you would like to show demo mode, just mark it here. And as you can see, event status bar has already changed. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.